Hello. I have made this video to announce that I'm starting a Bee Swarm series. Stay tuned as I will be uploading episode 1 very soon. Episode 1 will be about me completing Sights on the Stars, a quest from Mother Bear. And season 1 about me getting her Star Street. Although Mother Bear will be the main priority throughout the season, we will focus on other stuff too, such as Black Bear and Spirit Bear quests. Black Bear and Spirit Bear are important as they give a mythic egg and spirit petal. These two items are great for mid-game and will help a lot. Now, in case you don't know what Bee Swarm is, it's an amazing Roblox game where you have to grow your hive, collect pollen, and get bees. You can also complete quests from various bears that give wonderful rewards. That's a brief summary of the game, and I encourage you to check it out. It's truly a fascinating game scattered around the map which you can collect to get even better. But there are also dispensers around the map that give us treats, collect treats, and much more. You can also complete challenges like the Ant Challenge or Robo Challenge to earn amulets. And overall are a huge help. Amulets give great boosts. There's a lot more to discover, so check it out. The rest of this video is for you to enjoy. And remember, stay tuned for episode 1. Goodbye.